Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Emma and today I'm bringing you guys a video tutorial on how to fix an electric fence. Today's video was actually a request from one of my very special friends, Eliza Jane. So yeah, this one goes out to you, EJ. Hope you enjoy. So guys, the first thing that you'll need for today's video is tools, obviously. And so once you've found an issue in your electric fence, you're gonna need some tools to fix it. So I'll show you guys what you need for today's video. So first thing you need some pliers. You need this. You're gonna need some wire to actually patch up the gap. You'll need some electrical tape, some metal, and a soldering iron. Alright. Okay, so then the next thing you need to do is once you've got your the part in your electrical fence, you need to strip the wire back. So see how there's not enough wire to join two bits of wire together, so you need to strip it back. Okay, so to strip it back, you're going to take your Stanley knife and you're going to cut a slit in the insulation of the wire, and then you're going to use your pliers to pull that off. I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so now once you have both of your bits of wire stripped, and I know that's a little bit funny, but what you need to do is twist them around each other. I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so once you have your two bits of wire joined, what you're going to do is you're going to take your soldering iron. Now, warning, this is a heat machine and there's potential to get burnt. So if you are under the age of 15, please use parental supervision to use this tool. Yeah, you're going to take your soldering iron and the metal solvent, and you're going to spread it over the join so then the two bits of wire are connected. So once your soldering iron is green, then it's good to go and you're ready to join the bits of wire. I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so once it's all joined up, you might want to go back with your pliers and squeeze it together, just to make sure that it's all nice and connected. Then once you're done with that, you can take your electrical tape and you're going to wrap it all around just so it's nice and protected from the weather, you know? Now once your join is all protected and covered by the electrical tape, what you're going to do is you're going to take a small piece of wire, such as this, and you're going to connect that electrical wire to the actual fence. So it's nice and secure and doesn't go anywhere. So once your wire is nice and safely secured to the rest of the fence, then you're done and your wire should be working again. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Bye!